Assalamualaikum and welcome to our talk show today. I am your host, Nur Ariessa Jamil, and today's topic is the role of engineers as managers, consultants, and entrepreneurs. Our main guests for today are no ordinary person. On this night, we have two managers, Mr. Fakhrullah and Ms. Shafiqah. In addition, two consultants, Ms. Fatini and Mr. Hafiz, not to mention the two entrepreneurs, Ms. Amiera and Ms. Syasya. As you know, ethics is a major focus in any setting. So, the first question is dedicated to our managers. As managers, what both of you think about the role of engineers in managers' perspectives?
In the engineering manager role, however, responsibilities are often not defined as clearly. But to be general, the engineer manager must lead their team and align it with the overall company vision. Other than that, the managers should also be able to prioritize and delegate tasks, develop, inspire, and evaluate the members of the team. So the functions of an engineering manager is to plan, organize, and oversee an organization's technical and engineering activities. We organize engineering projects and also manage their efficient running, including supervising and guiding other engineers. Basically, our focus is on goals and balancing business and also delivery.
I agree with Ms. Shafiqah's point. The engineering managers need to lead, inspire, negotiate, and convince the different engineering disciplines and sometimes their line managers during the project life cycle. For what? To maintain focus on business and project objectives. So, yeah, I totally agree with Ms. Shafiqah's point.
In your opinion, what qualities are most important for an engineering manager to be effective?
To me, personally, maintaining integrity strengthens the traits and it's beneficial. Remember that action set the team's tone, not words. Action. Engineers are accountable for implementing and following ethical standards as well as rewarding those that do so. For a leader to be authentic, they must share their ideals, behave in accordance with their belief, and be honest with themselves and others. So that is my point of view.
Yes, that is true, and do not overlook the enthusiasm. We need leaders who are full of energy and drive. We prefer people who can do things over those who cannot. Enthusiasm leaders are dedicated. Thus, good leaders always know that enthusiasm spreads.
Thank you to both of our engineers for the thorough explanation. We jump to our next panel, our consultants. In your point of view, what are the roles of engineers as consultants in this industry?
Thank you to our host. So here I am as a consultant to you. We assist in planning, developing, overseeing, and existing public and private infrastructure projects. Plus, engineering degrees and extensive experience in project planning, coordination, and analysis are required in our field. Otherwise, we control project time frames by converting clients' need into designs, building project framework by resolving technical challenges without influencing deadlines or other department. And we also write detailed reports about their evaluation and attend review meetings with other engineering department to increase our efficiency.
Excuse me, may I add point here?
Yes, you may add your point.
Okay, thank you, host. Okay, so the importance of being an engineer as consultant could be seen in terms of effort and money. Mostly engineering business owner find the working as consultant pay for better than working for a firm. So because engineering consultant deal with a numerous client as have expertise of many field of engineering, it can also have a firm employee avoid the mistake.
In your opinion, what is a good engineer's consultant?
Okay, it's my perspective. Engineering must always acting with the higher levels of the honesty and integrity. The profession dignity and integrity must be protected at all times, and engineering must treat all individuals with decency, respect, fairness, and without bias.
Thank you to both of our consultants. Move on to our invited entrepreneurs, Ms. Amiera and Ms. Syasya. What both of you think about the role of engineers as entrepreneurs?
Let's talk about entrepreneur engineering. Entrepreneur engineering understand business goals and know when to make the appropriate sacrifice. Collaborate closely and effectively with the product team, include the founder, to product customer value interactively. They aim to solve challenge that neither nor anybody else has ever solved before. Next, as an entrepreneur, the function engineer's role is to assist the firm in reaching its vision objective. Engineer also needs to come up with a sales plan. Engineer must have great problem-solving skill, be statistically minded, and seek to maximize business profit in order to be successful entrepreneur. Engineer have the training and knowledge to grasp a wide range of possibility and appropriate solution. Engineers are mathematicians with a physics background and a passion of numbers. Engineers may focus on data and how it works. Engineers are in charge of maximizing earnings by assuring excellent design and construction.
What about Ms. Syasya? Can you give your opinion in ethical perspective?
Sure can. Remember that any job requires high ethical value and honesty. This is to avoid unwanted accidents and to maintain the society high morals. As an entrepreneur myself, my advice is to make sure that you have enough money or budget before you establish a business, and also to purchase only high quality material for the end products. It is also critical to complete any products without any shortcuts whatsoever. And among other key obligations are being transparent about all the goods that we are manufactured and following the proper entrepreneurship regulations.
Is there any related example of bad ethics in entrepreneurships?
Of course there is. During my own entrepreneurial experience, I've encountered a few cases of bad ethics. One being fraudulent product claim, which can be either the product does not do as what they claim to do, or they're using fake reviews. So because everything nowadays is done online, some businessmen are taking this opportunity as advantage for them to sell things quickly without any sufficient quality control.
It's time to call it a night. The discussion we had tonight with our panel of experts in the field was excellent. We sincerely hope that by sharing this information, our children will be inspired to achieve their full potential in the workplace while also maintaining the strong sense of morality. Thank you to everyone who came out to see us tonight, and we hope to see you again soon.